The key ID incorrect error on your 2017-2019 Nissan Titan typically indicates a problem with the communication between your key fob and the vehicle's immobilizer system. This error prevents the vehicle from starting. This can occur due to several reasons, including a dead or weak key fob battery, damage to the key fob, or an issue with the vehicle's immobilizer system itself. Be sure to replace the battery or get a new key fob to use as a long-term fix. If your key fob battery is dead and you see the key ID incorrect message, there is a bypass procedure to start your 2017-2019 Nissan Titan. Begin by using the physical key located inside the key fob. Insert the physical key into the door lock and turn it to unlock the car. Then hold the key fob as close as possible to the Start-Stop button on the dash. Press the Start-Stop button while pressing the brake pedal. This may allow the vehicle to read the embedded chip despite the dead battery. If the procedure isn't working, ensure the doors are unlocked and that you're pressing the brake pedal while pressing the Start-Stop button. Remember, this is a temporary solution. Replace the key fob battery or have it reprogrammed as soon as possible to use your vehicle normally.